Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Appleton local and long-distance movers near me. Are you considering moving from Appleton, Wisconsin to a nearby city or a different state? Are you struggling to find a reliable moving company you can trust? Worry no more. 3 Men and a Truck is your go-to choice for all your moving needs. We provide outstanding moving services to clients moving within Appleton or outside the city. Long-distance moving companies in Appleton, Wisconsin. Relocating to a different state can be a time-consuming and tedious process that requires proper planning and lots of patience. If you don't know where to get started with your move, you may have to hire a moving company, and this is where we come in. 3 Men and a Truck will take over the process and make it smooth and easy. We have an experienced team of moving professionals ready to assist you when the need arises. Our team is not only experienced, but they will also work with you to deliver excellent results that surpass your expectations. Our prices vary on where you are moving to. You will enjoy affordable prices that match the quality of our services. We are committed to giving you a lifetime moving experience. Call us today for a free long-distance moving quote. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Appleton moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, local moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.